Good morning. So I am on my way out to Siem Reap. Now we are at 2640 at 31 degree, 3:40 a.m. And I expect to be in Siem Reap around 11 to 12 p.m. hopefully. Yeah, let's continue for another great day today. See you. So it's 4 a.m. now. I made it to the rendezvous point with my waiting for my friend. Get some coffee. Yeah, trying to juice up a little bit so I don't feel sleepy on the ride. And yeah, hopefully they arrive soon and we can get an early kick-off. See you around. We arrived at the Kampong Thom gas station, and so far we've been ridden about 148.4 kilometers, and it's about 1 a.m. We arrived here about like 30 minutes ago, and this is the gas station. That is the right side for a man. Very close up with.
Be a man. Meter.
So, what is your reaction to the first day?
It's not really a full-scale Khmer party, but I think this is okay for now.
Okay for now.
Who's that? Hopefully we capture some beautiful views and maybe try to pick up some lychee fruit
Yeah, stay tuned. So we make it to the Pradak village. This is one of the well-known villages in Cambodia, especially in Siem Reap, for its beauty and very cultural, traditional vibe. This is the decoration on the street. Our team doesn't want to camp. They want to play with water, and also it happened to be his birthday, so we expect some cake tonight.
Nah, birthday, no cake.
Why not cake?
Cakes are for kids.
Yeah, and you are still a kid, right?
Bro, I'm 29. He's old.
It took me about 40 minutes of ride because we rode slowly to avoid all the bumps and also to capture some beautiful street view. As you can see right now, I am at one of our friend place called it's beautiful. They have a fan and food and dining place and everything in here. We are about to go and play in the water, so I'm going to show you some chicken barbecue. This place has beautiful and delicious chicken barbecue, and if you are in Gulen Mountain, you should come here, which is over here. This is the owner of this place. This day, bong bong. ពេលមកលេងក្នុងកលែនអាចមកញ៉ាំងាយកន្លែងគាត់បាននេះផ្លាកកាច័ន្ទ
Like that?
That's man. Yeah. Coconut, everything. And this is how. Some small tree. Yeah, it looks awesome. We're taking off from the upper side of the waterfall to the lower side. I think it's the third drop, and we are attempting to take a small dive in there. Going down the stair. Quite steep. So this is the lower part of the Gulen Mountain waterfall. This is how it looks. Turns out that it's not a lot of water, not enough water to take a dive, and a lot of people. Taking a very tiny dirt road to the village with the local like living and picking up fruit and everything. Hopefully we catch some beautiful scenery. The real adventure begins, guys. This is how the ADV is supposed to be in the woods. Which way? Which way? This or that? Left or right? Mà ra rồi chứ.
Hey, the water is nice.
Ra tay chứ. Bắt chân ngang mùi. Đua đua. Over here we made to the cashew nut farm. As you can see, all of the trees are cashew tree, and this is where you get the nut from. You collect all the fruit and take out all the body and juice and take out the seed, and then you take the milling machine, split the seed in two half, and take the inside part of the nut, and you get cashew nut. A lot of cashew nut tree here. The last time I came here, I got off in this cashew farm. It's so big, and we didn't know which way we went, and there was no cable like this. So this is nicer than before. Boom ke sebat. This is actually not bad road. It's concrete and it's built to last, I think. And take it all the way up to the village. It's really good so far. Now we make it back to the product village. A lot of local tourists, and this place has a very nice dessert. They bake it fresh and very popular in the area. Taking the ADV160 off-road. This is the definition of an off-road. Very bumpy, dusty. Yeah, the ADV is handling just fine. I'm actually riding on with ABS on and also HTSC on.